Hey, I'm Joni Sprague, the owner of the Little Bit Workshop in Huntington Beach, California, and today we're going to be learning how to build an indoor-outdoor bench. Okay, so we're here at the store, so let's go get our lumber. For this project, you're going to be looking in the framing department for your lumber. Make sure to check that your boards are nice and straight, no bowing. If you don't have the ability to make the cuts at home, they can do it at the store, but they might charge you for it. Let's get our pieces cut for our legs and our bench top. You should have 8 pieces for the legs and 2 pieces for the bench top. Make sure they're nice and flush. Okay, all my pieces are cut, but now I have to sand it. I got a nice straight board, but it is really rough. Also, there's stamps on here. So I'm gonna start with an 80 grit sandpaper and then maybe go to a 120. Next, we're going to be assembling the legs, and we're going to be attaching the longer pieces of the legs to the shorter pieces of the legs with 2 screws at each end. One thing I did notice is that this board had a big knot at the end. We do not want to try to put a screw through that, so it's okay to kind of go off to the side a little bit. But normally you want your screws to be about right here, not too close to the edge and not too close together. Instead of just eyeballing it when you pre-drill, mark a line where the wood will go and then 2 little circles for your screws. Also, to make sure you have the right drill bit, put a screw behind the drill bit. If you can see the teeth, you're good to go. So I plan on putting my bench inside the house, but in case I do put it outside, I will be using exterior coated screws just in case. For this project, I'm going to be using Titebond 2 water-resistant interior-exterior glue. You're going to want to use a pretty decent amount of glue and then start assembling your legs. If you've got access to an impact driver, use that instead of a drill to assemble your legs. It'll go a lot quicker. Lay out your bench top, set your legs on top, and make sure they're evenly spaced on all sides. Next, you're going to pre-drill your holes for the legs. Don't forget the glue. Attach the legs, and then you're ready to flip it over and continue with the next step. If you're a little more advanced and you have access to a palm router, try adding a roundover or a chamfered edge. One more quick pass with a sander and you're almost done. Add some stain or paint, and then boom, you're done. An indoor-outdoor bench.